It's got purple smoke.
Yep. Good, that's good.
Come on, main.
Oh, we got a main at Apogee.
Oh, that's Apogee?
Yeah.
Well,
Unless
that's pretty
it just
close. But his name.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Straight overhead.
I see it.
Straight up.
Working over.
There it is. Backing smoke.
Vent.
Vent.
2, 1. I think all of our C65s went.
Arc it over.
Lovely.
Excellent. Looking really good.
Arcing over.
8-second delay.
Boom! There it goes. Right on the money.
Lovely.
Shoot it out. Nice play.
There it goes.
Oh, looks good.
Right above you.
High enough. We don't need to. All right. There's Apogee.
Oh, we got a hole in it.
And the second one, too.
Nice.
It really worked well.
Yeah, that looks good.
Oh, you kidding me?
It's still trying. Still trying. Well, that is not the direction we wanted it to go.
We had to lock in on target.
Smoking. Nike smoking. Marking over nicely.
There it is.
Shoot is out. I got off the pad. 2, 1.
Not
Little
bad.
whistle.
No.
Arcing over.
Uh-oh.
And no shoot. Oh, there it is. Okay, we got our vent.
Back to the flight line.
There's the release. Right overhead.
Nice.
See, now there's the uncle showing the